Kathy. So many people now struggling with weight loss. So here I want to share a very simple one you can do at home. So according to Chinese medicine, weight loss closely related to our spleen qi deficiency, our gut health. So if you have very weak digestive system, it's almost impossible for us to lose weight. So always try to strengthen your digestive system if you want to lose weight. When we have a weak digestive system, this dampness, this flame could build up inside our body and make us difficult to lose weight. If you try some other like dieting or those extreme weight loss methods, usually we don't lose weight, we lose muscle. So have to be careful, those side effects, right? So try to do something naturally, like stimulate your own healing power. That's very important. Red bean and Chinese barley. So these two could help us lose weight by getting rid of this dampness or flame build up inside our body. How to do it? 20 grams of red bean. But first, make sure you have to soak in the water for overnight or 4 hours. So do this in the evening. And then overnight, in the morning, you throw away this water. So pulling out the water after soaking overnight, and then put this into the pot. At the same time, also, this you don't need to soak. Clean this Chinese barley, and then put together, and then put at least like this 2 or 3 cups of water. Put this pot on the stove. Turn on the stove. After boil it, turn off. And then after 30 minutes, go back to the stove, turn on again. After boil it, turn it off. So I know it takes a lot of efforts, right? So try to do early in the morning. Then it will come like this. After you boil, you twice, right? And then pulling all the water to here. And this is the red bean and the Chinese barley here. So carry this to your office, to your school. Kathy's latte. Okay, latte for weight loss. Drink this the whole day, you can do that. When you finish, add more boiled water. So by doing this, you still need pay attention. For example, don't do anything had sugar, added sugar. Don't drink any juice, right? And if your body a little bit cold hands, cold feet, then you can add some this Chinese dates. Also like pulling into this pot, right? With all those together. So Chinese dates, to make it easy to dissolve, like this. Open. So tear apart, okay? So this make it easy to dissolve. So it's better use your fingers to, like this. Don't use a knife to cut. You don't need. Like this. You need to put this much water. And then put on the stove. Remember, boil, turn off. 30 minutes, boil again, turn off. Then pulling the water into the cup. So let me repeat. This is red bean, right? This is Chinese barley. If you feel your body a little bit cold, then add some Chinese dates.